Hey there everybody, so I'm hooking up my washer and dryer. Here we go, I got this, and I'm switching from copper tubing to PEX. And I've never done this before, and I didn't know how to do these connections here. Let me focus here. But I went to Lowe's and I got these crimping connections here for PEX tubing, and they go from the PEX to the fitting. And I saw that they had a tool which pinches this right here closed and fits the pipe tightly in here so it won't come out and it won't leak. But I didn't want to buy the $100 tool to just crimp two different fittings here. So what I did was I found a way to do it without buying the $100 tool. So this shark bite crimping little gasket here, I'm going to put it on my PEX tubing. Oh, hold on, sliding down on me. Alright, so I put it over the PEX, it's nice and loose. We put the PEX into the fitting right there. We slide it up a little bit. Make sure that's all the way up. Alright, so it's on there. Alright, so now I want to crimp it on. So I'm going to take a pair of my diagonal cutters, kind of dull right now, and what you want to do is put it on either side of this cinch clamp here, and you want to get a good bite on it. A second, let me readjust. And you want to squeeze it. Alright, and now I'm going to need my other hand to do it because it's, needs some force. But this is the one I already did it on, and as you can see, it worked perfectly. So, if you want to do this without buying the $100 tool and just use a pair of diagonal cutters to crimp into this little guy here, right? You want to crimp the, lost that one. If you want to crimp this tightly, and you want to get your diagonal cutters on either side of the indent there, then that's what you do. Save some money. Cool. Alright, subscribe to my page, and I'm going to start doing a lot of DIY for the penny pinching poor people out there like me. Alright, thanks guys.